Parents across Goa are rallying against the government's decision to start the new academic year on April 1st, citing concerns over extreme heat and inadequate infrastructure. The move, part of the National Education Policy implementation, has sparked protests and a legal challenge in the High Court. Despite supporting the NEP's educational reforms, stakeholders argue the timing is dangerous for student health, with classrooms lacking proper ventilation and cooling systems. In a protest in Panjim and Ponda, parents emphasized the need for a proper break after March exams, citing concerns over the mental and physical exhaustion caused by the immediate return to school in extreme heat.
Stakeholders were not kept into consideration for the same. It is clearly here in the documents that you have to discuss with us before implementing it. And your sudden circular, which has come as a shocker to all of us, is just not in the air. But we going through detailed inquiry, interviewing principals, almost 130 principals I have called up and I have checked with teachers around. It is not easy to get this information and what the education department is like. I don't know who they are trying to please and I don't know why CM wants to be the first in the state to implement it, keeping our children as the guinea pigs right now, and putting them through this turmoil. Today children are not happy studying for their exam, thinking that they are not going to get holidays now in the month of April.
Now if you go and read the main NEP document, it is stressed continuously in the document that they want to do away with coaching center culture and learning by rote. Learning by rote is learning by heart. They want to stop this. They want to have more practical training. But Goa NEP seems to be going in the reverse direction. We are not getting rid of this coaching center culture by introducing such a high syllabus now with NCERT textbooks. We are ensuring that coaching centers multiply. We are not ensuring that rote learning stops. We are not training our children adequately.
Is there a need to start it in April? And what is the need? Because today every parent, every person in Goa is left in the dark with certain circulars coming as surprises to everybody. Why don't you people, even the education department, why don't they come up with a press release or to explain as to what is the need for getting us into this, getting our children into April and troubling them?
Computer teacher is teaching Hindi subject. How can she teach her Hindi when she is specialized in computer? A PT teacher teaching Konkani. How can he teach Konkani?
A history teacher teaching
I
geography.
don't know how. What is that?
Right, sir.
So you have a specific teacher for specific subject. A point. There's so many unemployment in Goa. Teachers are graduate with no job. And even to get a job, you have to pay money.
Very true.
That's true. So how can some government should do something about that?
So do you think that there is a teachers crisis in Goa?
Exactly, ma'am.
It's clearly said.
Why don't you go and yourself go and interview the principals?
Shortage, that's the first thing. I think so you came in late. There's shortage of teachers and that's what the demand is. And also a lot of teachers are on contract. So they don't know whether they'll be there next year. So the teachers, principals are asking, please get NOC and get them confirmed so that we know we have this teacher, they can be sent for training. We have seen the Chief Minister openly saying, though the cases in court, that schools are going to open on the 1st of April. It's all out in the newspaper and all parents are concerned and worried. To that, we have started digging into and finding out whether the teachers have done their objections, whether the principals have done their objections, and to our knowledge, I have got a representation right in front of me where the Teachers Association have given a detailed explanation about the suggestions and objections for not starting schools in April. Plus the principals also, the Headmasters Association yesterday submitted their letter about the objections and suggestions. Also where they said that they too hardly had any time as the Gazette was put out on the 13th to collectively get information from all the principals of the government aided as well as the government school for their feedback.
आता 28 तारखेक भुरग्यांची एग्जाम सोंपतली आणि 1 तारखेक परत भुरगे स्कुलान जॉइन जातले. आता 9वेक जो भुरगो पास जाता या फेल जाता हो रिजल्ट आयलेकीच कळटले. समजा तो फेल जालो जाल्यार तांच्या खातीर खंय 3-4 सब्जेक्ट जांचे उरता तांकां जून जुलयान कितें एग्जाम आसतली. सो भुरग्यांक ह्या गरमेन जी ही हीटवेव आसा मेडिकली ही हीटवेव भुरग्या पासून जाणट्या पर्यंत पिडियाट्रीक टू जिडियाट्रीक म्हणटा आमी जाल्यार ती इतली हीटवेव लागपाक लागल्या की भरपूर गरमी आणि तश्यो क्लासरूम्स गोंयान म्हणा या फोंड्या म्हणा की बाबा AC आशिल्ले बरे व्हेंटिलेटेड क्लासरूम्स ती एज्युकेशन सिस्टम अजुनूय आमची गोंयान जाल्ली ना.
I feel need a break. It is very important for mental health, like Jatin said. And secondly is, in case you don't want to take this into consideration, give us a year at least. 1 year is required for the children to mentally prepare themselves that yes, next year we are going to start in April. We're not going to have this 1 month, we're going to have only 1 month, not 2 months.
Dylan Rodriguez, Krishna Naik, Manish Parab and Muzaif Sheikh for Goa 365.